Valentina Shevchenko is heading into enemy territory for her flyweight debut. On Tuesday, the UFC announced that the one-time bantamweight title challenger will drop down to the newly formed 125-pound division on February. When she faces undefeated Brazilian fighter Priscila Cachoeira, 8-0, at UFC Belém. This will be Cachoeira's first appearance in the octagon. Brazilian reporter Luciano Andrade was first to report the matchup last week. Shevchenko, 14-3, is coming off a narrow split decision loss to bantamweight champion Amanda Nunes. It was the second time Nunes outpointed Shevchenko, who was victorious in her three other UFC bantamweight bouts against Holly Holm, Juliana Pena, and Sarah Kaufman. Bullet has made it clear that she intends to challenge for the UFC flyweight title soon. Cachoeira was supposed to make her UFC debut at the Ultimate Fighter 26 finale on December. Won against veteran Lauren Murphy, but visa issues forced her to withdraw. Competing in her home country, the Rio de Janeiro native nicknamed Pedrica will now look to continue a run of success that includes finishes in 4 of her last 5 fights.